coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So today's wig review is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you so much, Sams, for sending over this new hair. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this review. Alright, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. So today's wig, like I said, is from SAMSBEAUTY. It is by the Stylist. It is one of their Swiss lace silk top lace wigs, and this one is in the style. This one is in the style Perfect Layers, and I have this one in F1B30. So it looks like this unit has 4x4 hand-tied closure. So you will get some extra parting space in this unit. I hope it lives up to its name. That's a big name, Perfect Layers. We'll see what happens. So this is the stock card. So we have a 4x4 closure here with an elastic in the back. These are actually just two adjustable straps that I connected together. You got one comb in the back, two combs on the side, and this is what the unit is looking like. So it does have those streaks of 30 in there with the 1B. So the unit definitely has a yucky texture to it that I really, really like. The unit already, I can tell, feels really full. If you're curious about this unit, I do have a review up on my channel. I'll leave a link up here and in the information box down below so you can check out this unit, but make sure you finish watching this review first. This unit is definitely really pretty. It does have some really nice layers in it. Definitely has really nice layers in it. I love the texture of it. I love the flow of the hair. The way the hair moves is really, really beautiful. The curls on the hair is really gorgeous. And the color is beautiful as well. I like this hair a lot. I'm not surprised because I've tried a couple other The Stylist wigs and I definitely like them. I don't like this. So when parting it, I would definitely avoid that streak. So maybe a side part. So I'm not loving these streaks. I'm not loving these streaks. That's my one critique. But I'm definitely loving the flow of this hair. It's really pretty. So let me see if I can avoid the streaks a little bit. It's pretty hard to avoid. From what it looks like, the streaks are kind of all over. But I do love this wig. Okay, here's a space without the streak. At least in the front, it can be avoided. Doesn't look like it could be avoided in the back. But this wig is definitely gorgeous. I would change the placement of the streaks in the F1B30 for sure. I would work on the placement of the color. It should definitely be better blended, but as far as the wig, I absolutely love it. I'm going to add a little bit of edge control. This wig is super, super gorgeous. I really love it. I love how it's curled. I love the layers. The name is definitely spot on. Perfect layers is definitely the case. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder. So yeah, I'm definitely loving this unit. It's really bomb. The layers, the thickness, the length is perfect for every day. And the texture is that perfect blow-dried, flat iron, black girl hair type of texture. And that's the type of texture that I fall in love with, you guys. I am a sucker for that texture. So yeah, this wig is definitely a thumbs up. You should absolutely go check it out on samsbeauty.com. If I haven't answered any of your questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get right back with you. I will leave a link to where you can check out this hair in the information box. And yeah, you can check it out on samsbeauty.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I so much appreciate you being here. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing and it means the world to me. So yeah, make sure you're sharing this video if you like this hair and you think someone you love would like it as well. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, peace.